Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a back post double crochet. It is quite simple, quite easy. So all you need is some yarn and a hook. I'm using a 4mm hook and this is just some leftover yarn from a project. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to start by just doing my slip knot, which is quite simple. Now what we're going to do is, for this one I think we should chain, let's say 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And in the second chain from your hook, which would be this one, that's where we're going to insert our hook. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now what we're going to do for this is we're going to do 1 row of double crochet and then come back once we've done that row. I do already have a tutorial on how to do a double crochet, so if you are stuck and you don't know, go revert to that one and then come back. And when you do get back, we will be doing the back post part on the second row. So right now you should have 1 row of 12 double crochet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to chain 2. We're going to turn our work, yarn over, and then we're going to insert our hook into the back of our previous row, through, round the previous stitch, so it's round as you can see instead of through the stitch. Yarn over, you pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So again we're going to yarn over, insert our hook here, put it through there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. And again, yarn over, insert your hook here, push it straight through. So if you look on the other side, your stitch, your previous double crochet is round the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Okay, and again, yarn over, around the double crochet of the previous row, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Again, right at the end of the row you can see there is 1 more post to go round, round the back, and there you have it. So that's one side, and there is your other side. It's as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like, subscribe. I do tutorial videos every week on how to do. I alternate weeks, so one week it'll be a basic stitch tutorial, the next week it is a full pattern tutorial. So please do subscribe for that. I also have my new series as well, which is I Made It So You Don't Have To. So where I explore and expose the issues with AI patterns. And yeah, I hope to see you next week. Bye.